Okay, welcome back to the stream. So today I'm gonna attempt to stream on YouTube instead of Twitch. So hopefully YouTube doesn't screw up or do anything silly. Normally I stream on Twitch if you didn't know. So it's been what, 4 weeks or a month? Okay, yeah, a month ago we made the last video, and then last stream was 3 months ago. So yeah, I think we're probably just gonna continue with the online stuff and this tank game that we've been working on. So I just go ahead and run this. Open this. Oh, I forgot to switch scenes. Okay, so here is Crystal. This is the game we were working on last time. If you're not aware, I don't know why this is still here. Go away. But pretty much we were experimenting with some colors. I think it was like this. I think we were experimenting with something like that. Uh, turn down this volume. I remember it being pretty loud. Like this. So yes. Oh, that's the bullet. I bet. That's what the audio multiplyer's for, the bullet. Um, but yes, we were experimenting with this, like, red color, and I guess for damage, and goodness, that was odd. I'm not sure. But pretty much today, hopefully we can get line renders working so we can visually see them shooting at each other. Stuff like that. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is probably create some walls around this, because I did not do that last time, and you can kind of just fall off the stage and infinitely fall. So we'll scale this up. Oh, we'll do like 75, sure. And we grab the color from this. Copy as that. I'm pretty sure you can paste this. Maybe not. Maybe not. Should have just copied the hex code. This instead. Okay, so I'll just paste that in there. And then we have our wall. So duplicate this. Where's this one at? Negative or positive 20. Okay. Put it 30. I like whole numbers. What's negative 0.0? I'll put this at negative 80. Okay, now we just need floors. So sprite is in the color. Just move this down here. Might need to recenter it a little bit. That seems about good. We'll duplicate that. Pressing Control F instead of Control D. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So now, if you fall off the stage, I guess we'll just let the player die or something. Also, if you haven't watched the recent videos, we've added text. So, hopefully we can have some, like, UI on the screen. I'm gonna save this project before I crash anything, because I feel like something's gonna go wrong, and it's gonna delete the entire scene. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. Before I do that, I'm gonna rename all of these to wall. Uh, um, wall bottom. Do wall left, and then All right. Okay. So, the I guess we'll do text now. Uh, I think we'll do health probably. Like have a little trying to decide if we should have the health over the tank or have it like down here in the corner or something. I think I'll probably put it in the corner. Probably. We'll do player one health. Okay, we'll add a text render component, and then we will do player one health that or colon. And then why don't we scale this up? There we go. Looking pretty good to me. Put that down there. So I'm thinking we put the camera sort of exactly like that or something where you can see the text. You might be able to see the walls, not sure. Need to be slightly smaller. It's a little bit too big. There we go. Put all of these at 6. Okay, that's fine. And then what we'll do is just in a script modify this text so that it has like, 89 or something like that. So that's probably what we would do. Or that save again. I guess we'll duplicate this for player 2. Okay. So I guess we go in a script now and work on that. Open this back up. Let's open. Let's see. Project or solution. No, we're not opening OctoNet. Here, Sapphire Editor, Tank Game, Assets, Scripts, Project.solution. Okay, I'm just gonna keep this on this monitor for now, I guess. Yes, okay, so restart music. Okay, I guess that's all we do. Game Manager.cs. Is that, oh, that is a thing. Okay, so I'm guessing, yep, this has that class. Okay, project source. So I guess in player, we'll do that, I guess. I should probably remove that color thing for now. Where was that? Sprite. Is that in tank controller or something? I don't remember. Yes, okay. Tankvisual.cs, that's what it is. So I'm just gonna remove this, to be honest, from whatever this is. What is this? On the turret? Or on the tank itself, maybe. Player 2, I might contain one of those. I don't remember. I haven't touched this code base in a little quick minute. Yes, okay, tank visual. So comment that out for now. Okay, there we go. So now if we start it back, well, it still does that. Oh, that's because I didn't recompile it, of course. Save it real quick so it doesn't crash or something. Recompile that. Okay. Okay, no more think visual. So let's do the health at least first. We'll start that at least. Because I think we're gonna have to add scripting for line renders so we can like position it at certain places. Okay, so we will just to tank controller. And then probably just add, let's do public text render component text render, and then we'll just do text render equals tr, and then I'll just, okay, well, IntelliSense is not gonna let me do that, so we will just add this here. And then we'll recreate this in player 1, player 2. We will do text render component, text render equals find entity by name. What was it called? Player 1 health. Dot get component, text render component. Okay, there we go. And then we will just pass this in, text render. And then I'm just gonna copy this and put that in here. So now we should be able to modify the text. So let's just make a method here, public void update text. And then, do we have a health variable? We do not. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think that we have a health variable. Let's just create that public int. Let's space these out. Player health equals 100 by default, I guess. That's fine. Then we'll go down here, and then we'll say text render dot text equals, or is there like a set text? I don't remember. I don't think so. Do text equals, and then what we can do here is do this like that, and then I'm gonna go in here and just grab one of these, copy that, and we'll go back in here, paste this in, and then what you can do is put a variable here. So I'm just gonna put player health like that, and semicolon at the end, of course. Okay, so now this should update it with the player's current health, as long as we call it, which we have to do. So I don't know why there's a bunch of spaces here. Where's the update called? Turret update. Okay, so just do text update, or update text, sorry. We'll do this dot update text so it's less confusing. Just copy this part, go back over here, paste that. Okay, let's recompile. Okay, looks good to me. Hopefully this doesn't crash. Well, we can't even see it. Nice. We'll just move this back, I guess. Oh, wait, we can do this during runtime. What am I even doing? Yeah, we can just move this back. Okay. So, oh, you know what? I know what I did. Wait, why did it stop? Stop the wrong project. I know what I did. So in player 2, yeah, this needs to be player 2 health. I don't know why I stopped crystal. Oops. Okay, this should work fine now. As long as we move the camera back. It's here. Yep, there we go. And the text is still broken. Or tank controller equals. Well, we just do this. Do a little hack here. Player num. Pass that there. Player num health. Equals player health. Okay. I'm just gonna move this back permanently. I don't have to move it back every single time. Might as well just center it. Oh, there. Is it 0? 60. Okay, there we go. Looks good to me. So yes, now they both display the correct thing. So I guess we start line renders now, and this is going to be a little bit complicated because we don't have scripting, unfortunately, for line renders yet. So we're going to add that. I'm going to have to stop this. Let's save it first. Okay, I'm going to exit out of that. Okay, so core crystal source or crystal again. So I have been working on this online core thing. It's a little bit in development. I can kind of show it off. It just has this little online test. I don't even know why this is here. Might have removed it, but pretty much I think what I did was include crystal online core slash online test, and then uses my custom vector C library or whatever. So we have to do this, and then we'll just do include vector.h. And then since it's going to complain about linker errors because we don't have the implementation, we're just going to include the C file. And I think all I did was just do constructor. I just did, I think, octonet server, and then we'll do, it's just as the route back, so it'll do my computer. Because it's like the loopback one. So this will set up by itself. You don't have to do anything. Just the constructor will set it all up and stuff. And then need to go in here. And then see, we go here. This is where it is. Okay. This is the crystal version. Okay, so see if I go put this on this other monitor. So what I'm gonna do basically is just right click this, debug, and then start new instance once crystal starts up. I'm gonna do this on the other monitor so I can start crystal on this other one. Right click, debug, start new instance. I think I need to open this. And then it should connect. Oh, maybe I didn't do it in time. Okay, it should be listening. Yes, okay. Well, it bound on this one and then didn't bind on the other thing. I don't know why it does this. Come on. Right, debug. Start new instance. This should connect. Maybe not. It worked yesterday. Should work. I don't know what's wrong with it. I mean, there's a source client.cpp. Yeah, it's on loopback. I don't know why that's not working. I don't know if it's because I'm streaming. I don't. That shouldn't affect it though. I don't know, but point is, it worked earlier. Probably just did something wrong here. This is IPv6, isn't it? Or is it? If it's IPv4, then we need to pass in something else. Yeah, this is IPv6. I don't know. Anyways, I'll have to look into that later. And close this out. But anyways, we gotta do the line renders now, so I think we go here, script engine. And then scroll all the way down. I don't think this has scripting, it shouldn't. I don't remember adding it. Control F. Yeah, it's not here. Okay. Or that's why are we looking in script engine? That's the wrong place. Line render. Okay, so we have get color, set color. Yes, but there's no like set position, which is what we need. So static void line render component underscores set position UID entity ID GLM vector 4 or vector 3, sorry, position. And we'll just copy this. And then let's see, entity get component line render component dot pause or oh shoot, I forgot. Okay, there's two positions. So one of them is where the line starts, and the other one is where the line ends. What is this? Yeah, it's just, okay. So we could do set position 1 and 2, I don't know. And then we could have, it's kind of a goofy function name though. Why don't we just do this? Position 1, GLM vec 3, position 2. And then if we need individual, then we'll just add it later. Position 1, and then I'll just duplicate this. Go back here. Okay, so that should be good. Then I'll just add a get for it. Out position. Get position. Position 2. Yeah, pasted that in. Paste that in. Can't talk today. Let's do this. Control X. Tools. There we go. Okay. That should be good. So now I need to go down here. Where are these at? Line render. 1, 2. Set position. Get position. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, just move that in there for some reason. Okay, let's go into script core. Scene. Components. And this does exist. Okay, so I'll just do public vector 3 position 1 public vector 3 position 2. Okay, get internal calls. We didn't even add that, did we? Okay, we gotta go down here to go where the other line renderer ones are. Copy this. Do get position. Okay, and then we'll do vector 3 position 1 ref vector 3 position 2. And we'll do, or no, it's out. It's copy this and then type out. It's gonna output. This is get position, not set position.